Welcome to Automation. In this guide, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted file on Windows 10 and 11.
Method 1. Restore from Recycle Bin. Step 1. Open Recycle Bin. Step 2. Find your deleted files. Step 3. Right-click Restore. Method 2. Use File History. If enabled, Step 1. Open Settings, Update, and Security Backup. Step 2. Click More Options under File History. Step 3. Browse Files, select Restore. Method 3. Recover using previous versions. Step 1. Click the folder where the file was saved. Step 2. Click Restore Previous Versions. Step 3. Select a version, Restore. Method 4. Use Windows Recovery Tool. Recommended. Step 1. Download Microsoft Windows File Recovery from Microsoft Store. Step 2. Open it and choose Recovery Mode, regular/extensive. Step 3. Follow on screen steps to scan and recover files.